Good afternoon, students and teachers. Today, we gather to observe the World Food Day, a day dedicated to raising awareness and about hunger, nutrition, and sustainable agriculture. As we celebrate this day, let us take a moment to appreciate the food we have on our plates. Let's think about the farmers who worked hard to grow it, who harvested it, and the cooks who prepared it with love. Unfortunately, many people around the world struggle to access nutritious food. Let's pledge to make a difference by reducing food wastage, promoting sustainable eating habits, and supporting local farmers. Let's also appreciate the efforts of our parents, especially our moms, who work tirelessly to provide us with healthy and delicious meals. Let's make every day Food Day by spreading awareness, taking actions, and working together to create a hunger-free world. Thank you so much, teachers. Thank you so much, my dear children.
Is a renowned nutrition expert, entrepreneur, and author whose work over the past 2 decades has touched millions of lives across India and beyond. She is the founder and chief dietitian of Dieted. She has worked closely with FSSAI on flagship programs like Eat Right School and Eat Right Campus. Her impactful collaborations with NGOs, especially Tamanna, have brought nutrition dignity and opportunity to differently abled children through the Nutrition Intervention and Clinical Evaluation Program. Please join me in welcoming a visionary whose vision is to build a healthier, more inclusive and food literate society, Miss Aditi Mehrotra.
Thank you so much. I don't think I needed so much of introduction. I'm super excited to have you all join us today for a fun, active and brain boosting session. Okay, and it's going to be on a different kind of food that you eat, as we are going to learn about this special Go Food, Grow Food and Glow Food diet, the Indian National Nutrition Month, and I can also see that you're celebrating, or this is also marking the World Food Day. So World Food Day 2025 is on the 16th of this month, and I'm so happy and delighted to tell you that the theme for this month is hand in hand. Okay, hand in hand means my hand holding your hand, or maybe a doctor's hand holding a patient's hand, or your mother's hand holding your hand, for better food and a better future for all. Now let's quickly become label detectives so that we can decode what's in your food. Let me just quickly go through it in just about 5 minutes so that you can learn it forever, right? So a food label has to be printed. All right, there is a nutritional label information. You have to check for freshness. You should know what you're eating. You should choose healthier options. So we've already seen the components, that the brand name comes up, the brand name, whatever is the brand name, you have to read that out to yourself. And the claims. Claims are these short messages, which means that the nutrients are always given as per 100 grams. All of that, you will be doing this as a homework, all right, as to whether this particular packaged food is healthy or not. Added sugar. This is something you need to look into. As I already mentioned, they might say that no added sugar. No, palm oil is not good for health. Abraham, I'll take the questions later. Next, please. Sodium. Yeah, so salt is something you also need to check the salt content. Okay, so any country would have a logo and a license that you need to see. If it is not there, that means it has been locally made. This, I'm sure each one of you knows. There is a Truth In app. I have it right here on my phone as well. Truth In, it's called. We are going to be sending a post engagement prompt which will carry this, where you can actually scan, you scan the food item.
So now I would like to invite few of the students to share, to ask few of the questions.
Video in which they show that mayonnaise contains oil.
It does. And the quality of oil may not be that good.
Is sugarcane juice alright? Can I drink?
Okay, so sugarcane juice, if you wanting to drink from the roadside. It is not.
5 nutrients you have told it, only the ingredients on the label, like if it is more than 5 it's unhealthy.
So I can just say that you'll be quickly able to count that oh my god, it is more than 5. Up to 5 is also okay. Under 5 is definitely healthy because there are no additional chemicals or food enhancers that are added. Alright?
My mom doesn't eat chicken. Let's suppose I have 100 grams of chicken. So it has a something amount of protein. So how much will it be in veggies? Like equivalent amount. And what type of veggies?
So when you're talking about animal protein, we'll talk about plant protein. And plant protein we're going to get from the lentils, from the pulses. We are going to get, like soybean is so rich in protein.
And honestly, I don't like the khichdi, but I still eat it every day.
I can say it's a wonderful one pot dish.
Is that okay if we eat breakfast and skip lunch and then directly eat dinner? Is that okay? Like my mother used to do like that, skip dinner or skip breakfast sometimes.
See, all of you children, you are asking such amazing questions, but for your parents. So let's not forget their medical challenges. If they are on a weight loss diet, then probably they are skipping and they're eating right? So if you're asking about yourselves, the formula is 3 big meals and 2 snacks in between and a bedtime cup of milk.
So thank you, ma'am. We truly learned that how the small changes in our diet can lead to the big improvements in our health and the lifestyle. So thank you for taking out the time for us and guiding us.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me over. I just want to leave the learners with just one message. So every day, just think of the 3G foods. Okay? Have you eaten your Go foods? Have you eaten your Grow foods? And have you eaten the Glow foods? Because Glow foods protect you. And you all know the shapes and sizes and colors and the rainbow. So you can be your own smart detectives. Okay? And be very healthy, fit, and have a wonderful life ahead. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am.